TheChanClan's back. We're eating stuff. The second thing that we're eating tonight is 100% Tasty Candy Burger by Fun Raindrops Gummy Candy. Enjoy the adventure. Look at that thing. Hold on. That is one creepy... Lucas, can you move for a second? Creepy sandwich. Holy smokes. On the side of the box, it says it's made out of 22 soft candies. 22. 6 sweet candy buns. 6 candy cheese and sauce. Okay. 5 best candy bites. 4 candy salad. And 1 out of 3 candy toppings. Something like that.
Can I go eat it?
All right, David, why don't you open it up? This thing weighs 4.59 ounces, 130 grams. That is almost like a little mini cheeseburger at McDonald's. So the question will be, this or a McDonald's mini cheeseburger?
There's no bun at the bottom.
It doesn't have a bun at the bottom? Well, it's missing like half of it already. No, don't take a bite. That's gross. Aren't they segmented?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, wait, okay, hold on. Here, why don't you bring it over? Let's deconstruct this thing. We gotta figure out what's in there.
One looks like it has a gummy bear that looks like sauce. Top. And
What is this big green thing at the bottom?
avocado, I assume.
It's like a slug.
Yeah, we're eating it.
Shall I try it?
All right, David's gonna try eating it all together. I don't think you can bite through it.
He's gotta eat it all at once.
That's very strange.
This one's very hard. This.
All right, should we try to eat it in different pieces then?
Okay. I'll try.
All right, everybody take some bun. Everybody take some fruit slices and
I'll
a
take
bear.
another bun for the bottom.
Try one of these fruit slices, I guess.
bear, and then
Those are really hard.
That's really hard. It's like leather.
Look, I got
Slug.
2.
This is really gooey.
Oh, yeah.
Ugh. That fruit slice, I don't know what flavor that is, but it's disgusting. It's like sour and sweet. It's like throw up.
Don't put it that way.
This is weird. It feels like,
Play-Doh.
yeah. Gummy bear's normal. What's this, gummy slug?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, gummy slug. Rat lungworm.
Gummy slug? It tastes like a gummy slug.
This one's my favorite. Try this one.
It's really good.
God nicknamed it leather.
It's good.
It tastes like vomit. It's kind of sour and sweet.
It tastes like leather.
This is like human. Where's the human flesh? Here's the human flesh.
I hate the bun.
Eating this makes me want to throw up.
Took a bite off his.
All right, boys. 22 pieces of goo. Would you rather have a McDonald's cheeseburger
Yep.
or the gummy cheeseburger or the gummy burger?
McDonald's cheeseburger.
McDonald's cheeseburger.
How about you, David? And Michael?
I don't like any of it.
All right, so there you have it. 0 for 4. The 100% tasty candy burger is 0% tasty. Merp, merp. So save your money. Or if you really want to try it yourself, you can get it at Hele at Nom Nom. $4.99
Gummy best.
for all 4.59 130 grams of gelatinous 22-piece goo. Best before June 2020. At least it's fresh, guys. Fresh, 100% tasty. Anytime somebody has to say 100% this or has to tell you that it's tasty, chances are, is it going to be tasty, Lucas? No. Yeah, make that face again. Blah. That's how good it tastes. Do you want to eat the rest?
Okay, Lucas, eat all of it.
Yeah.
I like the
It's like
bun.
acid in my mouth.
Actually, Lucas likes it. So Lucas eats almost everything, right? Here, you can have the rest of the sushi, too.
Oh, I ate that.
Leather.
All right, that's really bizarre. Give Mom the other half of that one. She can try it. She can try it. All right, guys, thanks for watching our review of the 100% tasty candy burger and also checking out our gummy sushi. That was our episode today of the TheChanClan Eats Strange Gummy Confections. Thanks for watching.